6 signs of a Eurodollar crisis. Sign number 1. Extreme price movements in US Treasury Bills. The US Treasury bill market is one of the largest in the world. Over $1 trillion US dollar in federal debt is rolled over. Thus, it should be the most liquid market in the world with the most stable price. But that's not the case. You see here in the early morning on Monday, a massive price spike or yield spike in US Treasury bills in 1 month. And this is caused by an imbalance in this market, where sellers run out of the door, whereas buyers are basically too few and happy to buy. This is a big warning sign when you see these kind of movements. The second warning sign is market participants are eager to borrow securities from the Fed. And you see here a chart of different types of securities borrowed by the Fed. And you see before a crisis that it increases. The third warning sign of a Eurodollar crisis. And this happens when Fed buys less bills via QE. And this is basically the taper talk about quantitative easing. The fourth warning sign is that the Fed's reverse repo program grows. And here you see a chart of red, and you see the market grows massively on to 1.6 trillion US dollars. The fifth warning sign is foreign and international institutions sell US Treasury debt and you see here a chart, and you see primarily allies of the United States buying US debt, whereas the biggest or one of the biggest holder of US Treasury debt, namely China, is selling. Also, the Russian government and its sovereign wealth fund sold their US Treasury debt. And the last sign is that the Fed's reverse repo program is extended to foreign entities like foreign government and foreign banks. And with this, thank you very much for listening.